So 6k easy. 4 15-second strides at the end of the run. And keep the pace at 550 to 6 shy. Should be an easy, but that yesterday's easy was I don't know. So let's just see. So guys, remember, socks, shoe, not socks, shoe. Get both shoes on. I mean, this one doesn't matter, sha. You can tie one lace before the other. Huh? Bro, this one is going to fry my head. Just quick on before the run. It's some mad gun. Shot before 400, I'll be feeling this shit. Sticking to the schedule is a bit frustrating, I can't lie, cause bro, honestly, I just want to run. Man. No matter how slow, no matter how fast, I just want to run. But yeah, yesterday just 6k, today another 6k. I want to run for longer distances or longer times, but right now what I just do, or what I'm trying to do, is just educate myself more on running. So I'm reading, watching YouTube videos, even like how to shoot vlogs better. I'm watching a lot of running documentaries from different people, their marathon journeys, half marathon journeys, all of that. So with time we'll be able to incorporate that into what we're doing, and everything should be sweet. You get me? But yeah, just make this shit a movie. That's how I should feel, bro. Get me? When we put out full documentary, that next year's marathon, or maybe even before then, put out like a crazy ass documentary, bro. Hopefully by that time there's a team around the whole P. There's more people involved. Build something interesting. But yeah, want to educate ourselves more on like the science part of things. Your diet, the proper exercises to do, see a physio, correct your running form, test your VO2 max, all that shit, man. Want to get to that stage eventually, but start from somewhere and grow. But yeah, let's go. The cadence I'm going at right now, I'll say between 170 plus, I'll say, because bro, my legs are burning, man. Okay, oh god, I want to end this shit now. 1k left plus strides. Let's go. Longer steps, because my legs are cooked, man. Oh yeah, let's go. Fam, I need to get my water quickly. I'll try not to stop. Let's go. Let's go. First try, 15 seconds, let's go. One 15-second walking break. Bro, 30-second one, I'll turn back. Round 2, let's go.
seconds. Fuck, 15 seconds flew by. Let's go. Seconds. Go, last one. Bro, I know I shouldn't be sitting down yet, but I'm nah, bro. Jesus Christ. Someone calling me. I don't know how that happened. Even with my trick of setting it to only using the lock button to turn on the screen, I don't know how that happened. Breathe, 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 breathe. Nobody they pursue you. Breathe, bro. Get some water. Man, this sun, I'm actually so happy I didn't stop like till the 6K, and then I went straight into strides. At 5K I was planning on stopping to just walk a bit, but I reduced my speed, so that should reflect in the stats. Man, water. I wish this water was enough. Just baptize myself now, so I need it. Man, she feels so good, man. Bro, I've not even ended my run. I guess it should stop on its own based on sitting. Whew. Oh, with the sun. Plus 4 by 15 second strides. Yeah, sounds good. Save. Bro, can't even understand what I'm feeling now. I feel so good, man. I can't lie. I feel so good. Bro, my body has been itching me since yesterday morning. I wanted to run again in the evening yesterday, but I wanted to respect the plan. So yeah, today should have been 6K easy. But I was like, come on. I didn't know the sun would be this conk. But yeah. So I just pushed it. Let me see what average actually. 518. I don't even know how, bro. The first one 537, 526, 514, 511, 513, and then 510. So say we took that first K like a warm-up. But yeah, I had to list out all the races for the year and figure out like which ones I want to run in. like actually competing. When I say compete, I don't mean with anybody, but like try to hit PBs, that kind of thing. Pretty sure most races I'm just going to be out there supporting everybody. I might run, but the main goal is just to have some fun and support the community. But there'll be like 1 or 2 races. There'll be a few races that, you know, I'll train for. One of that I'm pretty sure of is the half marathon in Abuja. Oh my days, sweat is in my eye. Yeah, so the half marathon in Abuja, I'm pretty sure I will compete for that one. What else? Road Warriors probably just going to be for fun. Hopefully they switch up the medal. Last year's one was very nice, but let's see something different. You get me? What else? I'll ask around for the other races. If I'm around, I'll be there to support. But yeah, let's go.